Hello and welcome to your listing dashboard tutorial. One of our promises here at Bode is that we provide transparent information to our sellers so that they can have the information at their fingertips so they can make the decisions they need to make in order to sell at the best price possible with Bode. So let's start off with how to navigate to your listing dashboard. We go to the top navigation here under the sell top nav. You can click My Listings. Your active listing will show up there and you click View Dashboard. Now, this information has been compiled to provide you one-stop shop to understand how your listing's performing versus the market so that you can make the decisions you need to make in order to sell at the best price possible. So we're going to go through this dashboard step by step here. We have a button so that you can edit your listing, meaning if you want to change your price or you want to add to your description or even change the photo order, you can do that here by clicking this button. You have simple access to your listing agreement here. It's easy to access all the offers that you're receiving here. And here is a reference to the seller checklist. This is a step-by-step checklist to know where you are at in the process and the types of things you can think about in order to sell quicker. This home here has been on the market for 88 days, and we have the number of viewings that should have been received by here. This is the average on the marketplace. So there's 9 that are average for the marketplace. So you should keep an eye on what you're actually receiving in terms of showing requests versus what the market average is here. This is a great reference to know how you're performing. When you click this share listing button, you're able to share on social media as well as in email. We highly recommend that so that your listing gets as much viewings as possible on a bunch of different marketplaces. Here's easy access to any messages you should be receiving, and this home has been favorited 6 different times. The chart above is the number of times homes have viewings of your home specifically have happened on Bode exclusively. Keep in mind that your home is also listed on MLS or realtor.ca as well as Zillow and 100 other listing sites. So this is simply what people have seen here on Bode. So there's lots of other viewings out there, but this is the important statistic so that it is driving viewings here. We've compiled some expert tips based on where you're at in the process and how many days your home has been on the market of ways that you can continue the success of your listing. Down below here, we've added some the comparables information. So something to keep an eye on is what is recently sold that is very comparable to your home. This can help drive pricing strategy. So here's the recently sold homes with the sold price. You can see that here and how they performed on the marketplace. And that might just inform you a little bit better about what your strategy might be. Below that, we have new competing listings. These are the homes that have entered the market since you've listed, and ones that other people who would be interested in your home also might be interested in. Good idea to keep an eye on these competing listings here. And this bottom section here is the market data for your specific community and the key statistics that are happening around you. So you can always keep in mind in context what is going on, where your home is listed, and how that might change your decision-making process or even your pricing strategy. If you would like to dive deeper into the data, we have a button here that takes you over to market data that has a lot of different ways that you can visualize this information that's useful for you. Of course, we're always here to help. And if you have any questions about your listing dashboard or your listing itself, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can do so here or utilizing the bot over here as well. We are here to support you and happy to answer any questions you may have. So that's just a quick rundown of the listing dashboard. We really hope that this helps drive transparency and just gives you the access to the information you need to make the best decisions about selling your home.